My name is Paquin. I was in the U.S. Navy for 4 years, starting in 1988. Then I went into the Navy Reserves for about 10 years. And then for my last 7 years, I switched over to the U.S. Air Force Reserves. And then when Heather dragged me kicking and screaming into this whole program, I've got to know lots of people. I've got to know a lot of people who are really good at being artists. What they're trying to do is use art as a means of communication, being able to get people to open up, be able to feel like they're accomplishing something, and be able to express themselves and be able to reconnect with other people by expressing themselves. Some of these veterans are very shy around people. They've seen things, they've done things that just have shocked them into a state that basically they're scared of a lot of things. If you've been through what they've been through, you might be far worse than they are. They need something to be able to reach out again and something to give them a means to share with people. And if you have everyone doing art at the same time, you start seeing other people's stuff and you start doing stuff, you start feeling community with these people.